Non-alcoholic drinks. I like that one, non-alcoholic. What's that? No black. Blendsmiths. And the products here. Talking out of real, you know, they're cakes. Wow. So yeah, sparkling ones, and like they got non-steel ones, you've got steel ones and steel ones. Pretty awesome. I just had that one, it's really nice. Cool, yeah. That's pretty cool. 3D maps. I'll put a link to the description for this. This is pretty cool actually. I like that. This one here is really yummy. This is the company, it's a website and the company. That is freaking nice. And some of the other flavours in there. Side dialogue.
Are you in the mood for something casual? Or perhaps fine dining? I can recommend a few places in Falmouth.
Key cards.
Yeah, you were just thinking like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go buy one. It's like,
What did you guys do?
Silverstone.
It's the company. This is all the logos. They're pretty cool actually, and they're quite different sizes as well. This is pretty cool actually. Like all the different designs. That's their new product, by the way. Their new product. A company called PackSense actually. On Instagram. It's so cool. I like the fact. Online soon. But yeah, cover your drink. You sort of get spiked. Drink Angel's the name. Spicy sodas. Spicy. It's a lime and a spice.
I'm good, thank you. Would you like to try spicy soda?
Back of the tongue. Sharp, sharp, and it's gone. Interesting, I love this. It's so cool. Oh, nice. Very refreshing, indeed. I'll show you what it looks like. Companies on farm to cup packed coffee. Yes, we've got decaf, espresso, one I'm having a moment. It's really good, you know. Kenya ones. Here we are. Look how nice that is.